Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can file transfer mobile to computer or computer to mobile without any cable. So without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm going on google.com, then charge sharedrop.io. You need to make sure your mobile phone Wi-Fi connection and computer Wi-Fi connection are same, because without same connection you are not able to do this work. So first of all, I am going to here, then now you need to click on this plus icon, just click here. Then this is QR code, you need to just scan on your mobile phone. So I want to scan. Okay, now you can see here are this is me and this is my mobile phone icon. So now I click on here, then select any photo, example of this photo, then just make sure just click on send. Then you will face a notification on mobile, just click on save on mobile phone. Wow, it's already transfer on my mobile phone. You can see, wow, this is really good. So now I want to transfer mobile to PC or computer. Just go to mobile, this icon, then select media picker, then I select this one, then click on send. You can send any large file, 1 GB, 2 GB and any others, and you are able to select multiple file same way. So when you select multiple file, example of I select multiple, this one, just click on select. Wow, first of all this will be zip file, then click on send. Then you need to just unzip this folder. So I'm waiting few seconds for this processing. Okay, you can see this already done. Just click on this icon, then you need to unzip this file. So I'm trying to unzip exact file, then okay, go here. Oh, you can see this file I found on my computer. So this is really easy work. I hope you are doing successfully. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.